So as a tip, we always take our lowest note as our major key. Again, always watch your clef. So we're being given an F sharp here to an E flat. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So therefore it's not going to be perfect because the perfect ones are fourths, fifths and eighths. In F sharp major, you have F, C, G, D, A and E sharp. So the E there would be a sharp. So if it was an E sharp, it would be a major interval. E natural brings it down from major to minor. And they've gone down another step because instead of a natural, they've actually made it a flat. So they've taken it another step down. So it's actually a diminished interval. In the treble clef, it's an A. And again, watch your key signature because here, this is going to be an F sharp. A to F sharp. If you think of A major, which has 3 sharps, F, C and G, F sharp is part of it, is part of the major scale. So it's a major interval. So in the bass clef, so this is D to A sharp, D, E, F, G, A. So it is an interval of a fifth. So you have to be careful when it's a fifth because fourths, fifths and eighths, they're perfect intervals. And if you change them from perfect, it's either they become smaller, they're diminished. If they become bigger, they're augmented. Here, D to A. In D major, A shouldn't be a sharp, okay? A should just be a natural. It would be the perfect. So we've made the interval wider. Now we've gone from A to A sharp. Make a perfect interval bigger. You make it augmented. Okay, so we're given a compound major sixth. So basically this means we need to go major sixth up, but we need to bring it up the octave. Firstly, we'll just figure out what note we've been given and a major sixth above it, and then we just bring it up the octave from there. This is G in the bass clef. So G, F, E, D, C, B, A, G. It's a G flat. And we need a major sixth above that. In G flat major, we have B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat, and C flat. So a major sixth, this is our major scale. So G, A, B, C, D, E. E is our sixth note. So it should be a flat. G flat to E flat, because we have to make sure it's an octave above, it's a compound. So like this is G, and this is the G here, something above this G. So we go G, A, B, C, D, E. So E, and don't forget to put in your flat, an augmented third from up from this note. Again, note your key signature and your clef. We're in the bass clef, so it's a B flat. We want to have a third above that, so it's going to be a D something. This is our D. B flat to D. If we take B flat major, it's just B flat and E flat, so D is natural, so it is a major third. So we have to do something to the D to make it higher, and one step higher than a major is an augmented, one step higher than a D is a D sharp, so we just add a sharp to the D. Minor seventh up from this note. We're in the treble clef, so it's a C, and it is a sharp, so it's C sharp to something else. So count up your seventh first, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, so it's going to be a B something. Don't have C sharp major in grade 5, so think of it as C sharp minor, and in C sharp minor, have C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, related to E majors. And you have A and B here, your sixth and your sevenths, which if left natural, because they're naturally in the natural minor scale, which means I'm not making them higher, okay, you have a B there, which is natural. So if I made it a B sharp, that would be major, but if I leave it as it is without changing it, I'm making it a minor. We want a minor second up from this note. We're in the treble clef, and we've no sharps or flats or anything, so this is just E natural. A minor second, so up one note. So if you think of E as E major, it will have an F sharp. So E major has 4 sharps, F, C, G, and D. So if we put an F sharp here, it's going to make it a major, but if we leave it as an F natural, meaning we've lowered it by 1, so one step down from major is minor, it's a minor second.